How to fix partially blocked videos on YouTube. So if you go ahead and open up your specific YouTube channel and would like to upload videos from your account, and there is an important notice and that upload will not be able to go through because of the upload issue. So what you want to do is just head over to your current channel, then go to manage videos. This is where you can access all the videos you have uploaded. You can also even edit the current video that is not officially uploaded yet. So say for example, this is the video that you're trying to upload and has a specific issue. And normally partially blocked videos has a specific resolution for them to be able to continue on uploading it, and sometimes they're not. So what you want to do is just to trim the part of that video, because some of the videos usually has this issue called copyright. So if there are certain parts of your videos that you've used that is not allowed on YouTube, it will actually not go through. Just simply edit the video that you are trying to upload, trim that part of the video that is being copyrighted, and you're good to go. That's basically it. That's how you troubleshoot and fix partially blocked videos on YouTube.